At this juncture, let me also invite His Lordship, the Chief Justice, the priest who is going to conduct the vows, to come to the podium. Thank you. Your Lordship, the Chief Justice of Uganda, I hereby present to you Yoweri Museveni Tuhaburwa Kaguta, he having fulfilled all the requirements as directed by the Constitution and the Presidential Elections Act, for you to administer the oath of allegiance and the oath of the President. Long live our beautiful motherland, Uganda. Long live the people of Uganda, for God and my country.
I, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear the true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I shall faithfully exercise the functions of the President of Uganda and shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, and observe the laws of Uganda, and that I shall promote the welfare of the people of Uganda. So help me God.
Let me call upon the Secretary of Public Service, the Head of Public Service, and Secretary of Cabinet. What is happening is the President receiving the instruments of power one by one, presented to him by the Chief Justice. The President is now receiving the national flag. The President is now receiving the presidential standard flag. The President is now receiving the national anthem. The President is now receiving the national coat of arms. The President is now receiving the public seal.